Don't add another year. That's 39.
We going on vacation, so we
Aguna anda niliya kada girda.
For this pasahe going back to
At ito ang aming nag-usap-usap kami tungkol sa mga titulo nung mga na ni Mamang. Kasi alam niyo naman. Oh, yan si Mamang. Oh, kumakain. Ano yung ulam mo, mother? What is your ulam?
nangyawat ka rin.
String beans and fish.
What kind of fish?
Panpano.
Ah, pampano. Ape, di ka mat nangalati shrimp.
Saan?
Ayan, oh, kumakain na. Uli. Kasi ano? Oh, mali ano. Ready na si mother. Ah, yan yung mga,
Kain tayo ng mangga.
Nag-re-review po kami ng mga amin kasi alam nyo na po, mother namin is medyo matanda na. We still speak our Itneg dialect. Yan po ang luggage ni Mama. Pinagalitan kami ng kapatid kong si Kati. Sinigaw-sigawan niya kami. Kasi akala niya hindi namin ipapak. Kaya ay galit na galit sa amin kanina. Oh, ayan, naka-ready na po si Mamang. Ayan ng kanyang luggage. Ay, kasi naman po, nag-uwi na po kami noon. Inuwi na naman niya uli dito sa estate yung mga damit niya. Kaya balik na namin uli sa Abra.
Dapat
Mali. Sana? Sa ano, Jo? Oh, tignan niyo po. Nag-uusap kami to. Ay, 10,000. Ano lahat ng 10,000? Nag-uusap po kami ng Nag-uusap po kami ng itneg. That's what we call itneg. Kumain po kami. Nagluto kami ng pampano, tsaka shrimp, tsaka adobo. Na walang kalasang lasa. Kumakain yung si Ate Kati ng mangga. Ito naman si Bella. Kala mo marunong. Nakikimarites. Bella. Marites. Hoy. Bella, you marites. And so as King. Yeah, you marites, both of you. Ano ba kayo? Isurat mo amin. Ayan po, si Mamang. She's feeling a little better. Oh, I like your outfit. It's very colorful. Di ba, Mang? Colorful ta outfit mo. She's feeling much better, look.
Green.
I know, it's very
Green like the grass.
Kagalit pa.
Like
Tapos
the
ayan po yung kanyang
Green.
bag, oh. Tugaw kan mapangkataunugan. Okay.
Greg to na.
Yeah. Okay, we're
Dr. Greg.
okay. She's much better po. Oh, sabi ko nga sa kanya, maghintay muna kung sabi niya kasi mamamatay na daw eh. Sabi ko, wag na muna. Pag uwi na natin, we're gonna be in the Philippines in a few days. Kaya ngayon, ayan po. So, mag-a-attend po kami ng birthday. Nung pupunta muna tayo sa outlet, Mamang, di ba? Mag-shopping. May pera ka? We go outlet. Do you have your ATM?
Pwede kayong bagat Napanak nang withdraw.
Well, you don't have to buy anything. You have everything.
Nakard mga withdraw
Why?
Nakintindi ATM ko.
Anan? Let's go. No, you don't spend, Mamang. That's enough. You don't have money. Why? Anya tigatang it's too expensive at the outlet. No, I'll pay. Shakti bang bayad dun. No, mother. I want ipagikabilan tan. Okay? Napunpun nun.
Nga dak yung mati-sweater ko.
Apay, malamin ka? Maginaw daw.
Ito di outlet.
Bakit ka ng outlet?
Ha?
Bakit malamig ba sa outlet? Medyo maganda po.
Sweater ko karudo.
Maganda po ang mga panahon ngayon, oh. It's a very nice weather.
Ako din sweater ko
Thank you.
39
39, 39. Don't add another year. That's 39.
Happy 38.
38. So you hear that? 38.
Sweet 16.
Three.
Because it's pandemic, so you do it that way.
Don't worry, I already got you.
Nice cake.
Ayan po, tignan niyo po yung mga homeless, nakakaawa. Okay, so we're gonna give as a birthday, magbibigay po tayo ng mga pagkain nila. Ha? Parang yun na lang ang aking regalo sa sarili ko as a birthday. Kaya makikita niyo mamaya. So baybayan mo kami. Okay, just watch what we gonna do. Okay, mga kababayan, ito po ang ating, you put it on the other side of the ating pa-birthday gift sa mga homeless. Here, I'll take it. I'll take that one. Here, put it here. Does it fit there? Yan po. Kasi, di ba birthday? Ito na lang pa-birthday ko sa mga homeless. Ang daming Yan. Bumili po kami ng pagkain. Tapos magdi-distribute po kami mga chicken. Ayan, ang dami-dami. Ay. Okay, we'll continue. Ayan po, kasama ko po yung aking assistant. Ayan, matagal na sa akin yan. Almost 30 years. Ayan, chicken. Lunch is chicken for the homeless.
And they ham.
The ham, mga ham.
We can make sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
And then we give them some plates.
They have some plates also. So let's see. Pa-birthday. This is my birthday gift to them. See how big that chicken is?
Yeah, super big.
Big. So those are all chicken that the guy can have. Hopefully we could all take it. Going now. Going. Knock knock. Hello. Tingnan nyo naman po ang ating mga Diyos ko po. Tignan nyo po naman po. Kakaawa sila. No one is here.
You want food? Okay, I'll wait for you here.
Ano sabi? What did they say? Mga homeless. They're near the freeway. So let's just give them something to eat. Chantelli is a whole chicken. Let's just give them one. Then let's just go to the other one. They're not coming out.
Are you coming soon?
Here, let's just walk that way. I'm watching smart. So maybe Allah is scary. Oh, look at all those bikes. Look at the bike that they're all broken.
Sir, you want some food? You want food?
Thank
Make
you.
sure you share, okay?
No, we have bread.
Yeah.
You get bread?
No,
Okay.
No,
We don't. I didn't bring water right now. Okay, it's okay. I'll go get some more. We have a lot at the car. Okay? Can you wait here? Okay. Wait here because we cannot carry. We'll give him a bread. I'll be right back with your chicken. Okay. Okay. Hold on. We'll get more. Ayan po ang ating pa-birthday sa sarili natin. Magbibigay po tayo ng mga pagkain ng mga homeless. Nakita nyo naman po ang buhay dito sa Amerika is not always a very good life. But again, hindi mo rin masasabi kasi ito mga unfortunate people who are here where it's not too crowded. Kasi yung mga iba ay nakakatakot talaga. But here is something that we could. Yan po yung sinam Mark and Chantelli. Ha, Mark? Di-
Leave it here, Mark. Go,
Ma-
go lock the car.
Go get the other chicken, just leave it here.
Okay.
And Mark, can you get, if we have more food there, okay? Here's Mikey. Okay, Mark. Mike is still open? Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Hi. Hi, doing good.
Thank you. Have a very good lunch, okay? Very good. Where do you live?
You want some?
You want some?
I'm trying to help her get it.
Okay.
Okay. Where do you live? That one there?
Yeah.
Is this small? Oh, I love the dog. Oh, can I take a picture of the dog?
Turn take a picture, Gabby.
What's the dog's name?
Dobby.
Labby?
No, Dobby, like
Dobby.
Harry Potter.
Hi, Dobby. Okay, are you guys, you know each other?
Yeah.
Okay, there you
Thank you so
go.
much. Thank you very much.
Have a good lunch, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.